Hi, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fax from Android in a simple and easy way. This video will guide you through the complete process, step by step. Now, let's get started. Step 1, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app store where you can safely download apps. Step 2, tap the search bar at the top and type fax. Step 3, browse the list of available fax apps. Select a fax app with good ratings and high downloads, as these usually indicate reliability and user trust. Step 5, tap install and wait for the app to download and install. Step 6, open the installed fax app from your home screen or app drawer. This launches the service that lets you send and receive faxes. Step 7, sign in using your Google account or follow the app's setup instructions. Step 8, tap the send a fax option inside the app. This is usually clearly visible on the main screen. This option allows you to start creating a new fax message. Step 9, select a recipient from your contacts or manually enter the fax number. Make sure the number is correct to avoid sending it to the wrong place. Step 10, add a file or page you want to fax by selecting the option to upload documents. You can choose files from your phone storage or scan pages if available. Step 11, after adding the file or document, tap Send to fax the document from your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials like this.